Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open the Tesla Cybertruck. To open the doors from the outside, simply press the exterior door release button found on the pillar to the right of each door. Once pressed, the door will pop open slightly, allowing you to grasp it at the top and pull it fully open. From the interior, you will press the door open button located at the top of the door handle, then push the door open. Remember, the doors are electrically powered. Your Cybertruck offers convenient access through a phone key or a key card. To use your phone as a key, ensure Bluetooth is enabled and the Tesla mobile application is running. This allows for automatic locking and unlocking as you approach or depart. For key card access, simply tap the card against the driver's side door pillar. The exterior lights will flash, confirming the vehicle is unlocked or locked. You can pair up to 19 keys, including phone keys and key cards. In the unlikely event of no low-voltage power, you can still open the doors manually. For the front doors, locate the manual release in front of the window switches and pull it upward, then push the door open. For the rear doors, first remove the rubber mat from the mat pocket, then pull the mechanical release cable forward and push the door open. These manual methods are crucial for emergency exits and should only be used when power is unavailable. Accessing the frunk and tailgate is straightforward. The powered frunk can be opened via the touchscreen, the Tesla mobile application, or by pressing a button located under the hood closure. There's also a hands-free option where the frunk opens if you stand in front of it with your phone key. The tailgate opens by pressing a button on the exterior or through the touchscreen. For safety, an interior release allows someone inside the cargo bed to open the tailgate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.